We do a lot of general contracting, and then we also do some self-perform work. Construction jobs are big. There's a lot of people involved, hundreds, sometimes thousands of people, and making sure they're all on the same page and they're all headed in the same direction is a constant challenge, right? This is nothing new. Been with the industry the entire time it's been around, but being able to put the information in one tool, one place, and have everybody looking at the same information really creates a sense of direction that we haven't had historically. And that's where something like a technology platform that's mobile makes a big difference as far as putting information in front of them, not having them spend a lot of time on paperwork per se, and letting them do the part of the job that they really enjoy, which is really sitting there and putting work in place, building the buildings. Where we see the value in Procore is really in the improvements of getting information in front of people at the right place at the right time. That's really the driver of the value that you're looking for. Looking to really invest in our processes and our people to allow us to get more out of our folks as far as really helping them do their job and focus on the work at hand better. That was a really big deal as far as why we got into Procore. But as far as kind of how our construction teams and accounting teams interact, given that we've integrated Procore with our accounting software Sage, we've become much more aware of what our processes are. In the past, they were very separate, and there was kind of a little bit of a mystery around that. Now we've had the opportunity to really think through that and understand exactly what it is we're trying to do from a standpoint of having, our construction folks really interact more with accounting and understand exactly what we are doing. As far as rolling Procore out into our civil division, we included them in the evaluation and wanted to make sure that we were meeting their needs as well. The civil business, it just lends itself a little bit differently, the way they price, the way they contract. There's just subtle differences that can have a pretty big impact on exactly how the business is managed. As far as what we've seen from our civil division, as far as why they like Procore, it's just, again, it's the simple process of just putting the right information in front of the right people at the right time. There's nothing really overly complicated about it. Construction's construction. We're dealing with information, and we want the best information, the most up-to-date information when we need it. And that's really all we're trying to do.